All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back again to another live stream. Today, we'll break down and try and trade GJ and UJ. We'll see if there's anything. We'll see if there's anything that pops up. Hopefully, we can take a trade. But so far, with my strategy and how I trade this, nothing. So that being said. So this could be something here. That's fine. We'll just leave it. And let's break down GJ, guys. So starting on the monthly time frame. Right, starting on the monthly, we have this zone here that the market could potentially travel to. Boom. You could even argue this zone as well. That's an area as well. That's an area. And then we have this mini area that we've now pierced through. But we'll only know end of the month if we broke this area or not. So there's that. And then we have this lower demand area. Going down onto the weekly time frame, we have a fib from point A to point B. Market came down, made a market structure point at the 61.8 and then started traveling to the upside. So now that we made a higher low here, I would like to move my fib from here to here, and then you can see clear as day, market made a 61.8, right? And then from that point, market started traveling higher and higher, making higher lows and higher highs. Here we've made a 61.8, moved my fib from A to B, and now we have a 23.6, which is not a market structure point, and therefore this is our current weekly Fibonacci. Yeah, so there's that. That is my weekly analysis, nothing more on this thing. And then we go down on the daily. So that I do know that we are at a resistance. Now that we are at a monthly resistance, we gotta be careful and cautious with our buys and actually you know, be careful, because it could easily just started melting from this point onward. So since we are in a what do you call it, a supply area. So I do have this area here within this area, so you can see how the candles reacted to it perfectly for 3 days. It failed to break, and then now started to travel to the upside. I do have this new mini area that the market is now above, and then we have this, but I'm not going to worry about this one because we have that one, which is stronger, more valid. Our next area, we have this, but then I like this area right here for a daily support. Look at that, perfect, boom. So this is the daily time frame, and then with the Fibonacci's, let's see how we're doing. I know for a fact this is a market structure point, so I'm going to take it from here up to there. It failed to make a market structure point here, so I'll just ignore it. 38.2 again, 38.2 again, and that's what we are. That's where we are with the fib. So if I look, let me show you how I know that it's a market structure point. Following candle by candle, fail, and then boom, 61.8, beautifully. And that's where I'll put my fib from point A to point B, and that's where we are. Our 38.2 is all the way down here. So now we know that. Now we go down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, huge bullish candle, but I don't trust these because look what happened here. Huge bullish engulfing, and then the next one just plummeted. So there's that. I do have a 4 hour area right around there. How you can see the market reacted to it perfectly. Nice and nice. This blue, I'm gonna make it a bit lighter. It's too dark for my liking. I'll just do it like there. There we go. That's better. So we are at a supply area. We gotta keep that in mind. And with 4-hour fibs, I believe that is our 38.2 from here. Fail, fail, and now we are right there. So yeah, there's my 4-hour 38.2. That's all I do on the 4-hour. We do have this mini area right here, but I'm going to ignore it for now. And then we have a 1-hour fib right there. Let's see. Yeah, that is my 1-hour fib. Because that was a 38.2, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. And then it broke, and then it broke again. So yeah, all right. So here's our latest market structure points. I'm waiting for the market to come back to this area to take a buy either from here or any of these market structure levels. And that is my outlook for DJ. So what we can do here on the 5 minutes is throw a mini fib from point A and see where point B is, and then maybe take a scalp from the 38.2. So that could be something we could look at. Boom. There we go. Let's look at UJ. Monthly time frame. We have area, beautifully. I am at this area though. I do want to mark it up. Boom. Like that. Weekly time frame. And then the daily. Okay, so the daily is a bit interesting because now we're just playing above the supply area. We have a resistance there that we gotta keep in mind. We do have a strong support somewhere around this area that you want to keep in mind as well. Wow, this pair is just nuts. Anyway, so on the daily time frame, I believe, holy shit, okay, I believe all these are market structure points right here. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So therefore I would take my fib from point A to point B, and look at that, we have equal highs. See, equal highs. Market could easily pierce through, take liquidity, and then drop down to make a 38.2, as you can see right there. So that's the daily fib. Now we keep that in mind with an alert. Go down to a smaller time frame such as 4-hour. 4 hours is a bit interesting because also Fibonacci is also from A to B. However, if you want to do it this way, look at that. Point A to point B, tested 78, but settled at the 61.8. So there's that, and then you have, ooh, look at that. So bro, okay, so now that is more valid because it tried, it made a lower high, but then market actually broke that lower high on the 4-hour time frame. Beautifully. have this area, but I also like this area more. Look how accurate this shit is, dude. Boom. Resistance, break, retest, continuation. Beautiful. Couldn't get any simpler than that. Literally. Do I have it on my other charts here? I believe I do. Yeah. Look at that. Boom. Very nice. Whew. No trades for me. The yen basket is just fucking melting and melting and melting. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this little breakdown of GJ and UJ. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next live. Take it easy.